Today we're diving into the exciting world of home security. We're going to check out some seriously cool gadgets and inventions that'll make your jaw drop. From smart robots to next-level alarm systems, we got it all covered. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about Carl. This, my friends, is Carl, a smart home robot concept that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only helps you with daily tasks, but also ensures your home is safe and secure. Picture this, a robot that roams your house, keeping an eye out for any potential danger. Whether you're at home or away, Carl is always on the lookout, patrolling every corner of your home. It's packed with sensors that can detect everything from dangerous gases and allergens to fire and unauthorized entry. These sensors are incredibly sensitive and can pick up even the slightest changes in your environment. We're talking gas sensors, smoke detectors, and air quality sensors. These are the same types of sensors used in professional security systems, but now they're integrated into a compact mobile robot. Carl also comes equipped with motion sensors that can tell the difference between you, your pet, and an intruder. This means no more false alarms when your cat decides to take a midnight stroll. It's got built-in cameras and microphones so you can see and hear what's going on, and even talk to your pets or the delivery guy. Imagine being able to check in on your home from anywhere in the world just by using your smartphone. Carl is designed to learn your habits and routines. Over time, it becomes more efficient and better at recognizing when something is out of the ordinary. Over time, it'll be able to tell when something's out of place and alert you immediately. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that Carl is always on guard, ready to notify you of any unusual activity. This thing is the real deal. It's not just a concept, it's a glimpse into the future of home security. It's still in the development phase, but the technology is there. Engineers are working tirelessly to bring this vision to life, and the progress they've made so far is nothing short of impressive. It's only a matter of time before we start seeing these robots rolling around our homes. How cool is that? Imagine a future where every home has its own personal security robot, making our lives safer and more convenient. Now let's move on to our next gadget. Stay tuned, because we've got some more amazing tech to show you. Alright, moving on to fire safety. When it comes to fires, every second counts. That's where the Safer Escape ladder by Modum comes in. It's a quick deploy ladder that's super easy to use. Even in a panic situation, you just attach it to your window, pull the release cord, and boom, you've got a sturdy escape route in seconds. The Safer Escape ladder is designed to be compact and discreet. It folds up neatly and can be stored easily under a bed or in a closet. It's made from sturdy materials that can support the weight of multiple people. Knowing that you and your loved ones have a reliable escape route in case of a fire is priceless. So if you're looking for a way to up your home safety game, the Safer Escape ladder is definitely worth checking out. Let's see what's next. Okay, let's talk about something a bit more high-tech. In today's world, home security is more important than ever. With the rise in smart technology, protecting your home has never been easier or more effective. I'm talking about fog-armed security systems. These systems are designed to create an impenetrable barrier between your home and potential intruders. Imagine this. An intruder tries to break into your home. They think they can get in and out without any issues, but before they can even get through the door, bam! They're engulfed in a thick cloud of fog, completely disoriented. This fog is not just any fog, it's specially formulated to obscure vision and create confusion. That's the power of a fog-armed security system. It buys you precious time to alert authorities and ensure your safety. These systems are getting smarter thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing home security by making these systems more intuitive and responsive. AI-enabled cameras with motion detectors can tell the difference between a stray cat and an actual person trying to break in. This means fewer false alarms and more accurate threat detection. So you get fewer false alarms and more peace of mind. Imagine being able to check your security feed from anywhere in the world, right from your smartphone. These systems don't just rely on fog. They incorporate a variety of features to keep your home safe. They're also equipped with two-way audio communication. This allows you to interact with whoever is at your door, whether it's a delivery person or an unexpected visitor. You can hear what's going on and even talk to whoever's out there. This feature is incredibly useful for deterring potential intruders. You're on vacation miles away and you get an alert on your phone. Instantly, you can check the live feed and see what's happening at your home. You can use the two-way audio to scare them off or let them know you're calling the police. This immediate response can be crucial in preventing a break-in. These systems aren't exactly cheap, but can you really put a price on peace of mind? Investing in a high-quality security system can save you from potential losses and give you unparalleled peace of mind. All right, let's talk about Ajax. We're talking about the Ajax security system, and let me tell you, this thing is the real deal. What sets Ajax apart is its focus on speed and reliability. It's designed to detect intruders before they even set foot in your home. If someone does try to break in, Ajax will raise an alarm, send a notification to your smartphone, and notify the security company, all in seconds. Ajax uses a secure encrypted connection to communicate with your devices and the security company. No more worrying about signal interference or hackers. The Ajax app is top-notch. It's super user-friendly and gives you complete control over your system. You can arm and disarm your alarm, check the status of your sensors, and view live footage from your security cameras, all from your phone. Ajax is designed for DIY installation, and the app walks you through every step. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use security system, Ajax is definitely worth checking out. Now let's see our next gadget. Chapter 5 OC Intruder Buster, the area denial device that stops intruders in their tracks. This next one is for those who like to take a more proactive approach to home security. In today's world, it's not enough to just lock your doors and hope for the best. You need to be one step ahead of potential intruders, and that's where the OC Intruder Buster comes in. I'm talking about the OC Intruder Buster by Tech. This device is designed to give you peace of mind by adding an extra layer of security to your home. It's compact, easy to install, and incredibly effective. This thing is no joke. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, you can't afford to take any chances. The OC Intruder Buster is built to deliver when it matters most. The OC Intruder Buster is a tripwire-activated device that releases a cloud of pepper spray to deter intruders. Imagine an unsuspecting intruder crossing the tripwire and suddenly being met with a burst of pepper spray. It's enough to stop anyone in their tracks. It's designed for specific areas where you need an extra layer of protection, like a back entrance or a secluded window. These are often the most vulnerable points of entry in a home, and the OC Intruder Buster ensures they're well guarded. The idea is to create an invisible barrier that, if crossed, will send any would-be intruder running. It's a psychological deterrent as much as a physical one, making intruders think twice before attempting to break it in. It's a non-lethal way to protect your property and send a clear message that you're serious about security. Non-lethal doesn't mean ineffective. In fact, the pepper spray is potent enough to incapacitate an intruder temporarily, giving you time to call for help. The legality of using devices like the OC Intruder Buster varies depending on where you live. Some places have strict regulations about the use of such devices, so it's crucial to be informed. So before you even think about getting one, make sure you check your local laws and regulations. Consult with a legal advisor if necessary to ensure you're compliant with all local requirements. If you're looking for a way to add an extra layer of persuasion to your home security setup, the OC Intruder Buster might just be the thing. It's an investment in peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected by a device designed to stop intruders in their tracks. Chapter 6. SimpliSafe Smart Alarm Camera, Keeping Watch. When you can't. Let's dial it back a notch and talk about something a little less intense. I'm talking about the SimpliSafe Smart Alarm Camera. This thing is more than just a camera. It's like having a watchful guardian angel keeping an eye on your home 24/7. It's got high-definition video, motion detection, and a siren loud enough to scare off even the most determined intruder. The SimpliSafe camera is incredibly easy to use. You literally just plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. The app is so intuitive. Even your tech-challenged uncle could figure it out. You can view live footage, receive instant alerts, and even talk to whoever's there through the two-way audio. The SimpliSafe camera also works seamlessly with the rest of the SimpliSafe security system. In today's world, having a reliable security camera is more important than ever. Chapter 7. SECURAM Smart Security Switches, powering up your home security. For the final gadget on our list, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: electrical outlets. But not just any outlets. I'm talking about SECURAM smart security switches. These things are game changers. Imagine this: you're on vacation miles away and you suddenly remember you left your curling iron plugged in. With SECURAM smart security switches, you can breathe easy. These switches let you control and monitor your home's electrical systems remotely, using just your smartphone. They also monitor your energy usage, giving you valuable insights into how much electricity your appliances are using. The installation is a breeze. No need to call an electrician. If you can change a light bulb, you can install a SECURAM switch. If you're looking for a way to add an extra layer of security and convenience to your home, while also becoming more energy efficient, SECURAM smart security switches are the way to go. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Outro: stay safe, stay secure. Your home, your sanctuary. And there you have it, folks. Our rundown of the top home security gadgets and inventions that you absolutely need to know about in 2024. These gadgets are not just about keeping your home safe. They're about giving you peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Go check out these awesome gadgets and take your home security to the next level. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.